2018 Chrysler 300S AWD Essentials, an all-weather luxury bruiser. The 2018 Chrysler 300S is a continuation of the company's big, strong-selling sedan with a rockin' stereo and plenty of space for people and cargo. It's one of the last traditional front-engine, rear-drive sedans on the market, though AWD is available for wintry locations. Key competitors: Dodge Charger AWD, Ford Taurus Limited, Nissan Maxima SR. Base price: $39,390 as tested price, $49,660. Full review, 2017 Chrysler 300 review. Highlights: the 300S is a nice cruiser with a bit more sinister look than the other 300s. It comes standard with a 300 horsepower V6 but can also be specified with a Hemi V8. This one comes with about $10,000 in options, making it one of the most well-equipped examples you can find. The 3.6-liter V6 has good power, and if you want more, Chrysler offers the Hemi for $3,000 additional. I am torn on whether I'd go for the V8. The V6's 300 horsepower feels like plenty in most instances. The smaller engine also feels like a good match for the silky 8-speed automatic. The more I drove the car, the more I kept asking myself if I am missing the V8's effortless power. Driving them both back-to-back would probably seal the deal one way or the other. For now there's nothing lacking in the V6. The 300S package means the suspension is a wee bit stiffer but nothing too firm. There is some body roll in corners, but this thing is big, it can be completely avoided, I suppose. Overall, the car feels like it just wants to whisk you comfortably down the freeway forever. This one has all-wheel drive, and it helps in the snow we've been getting around here lately. The S model also has paddle shifters, sport mode, quicker throttle response, blacked-out exterior accents and leather sport seats. The interior is starting to show its age some but is still nicely built. I prefer the upper model's matte finish and open grain wood. The S does house the optional Beats stereo, though, and it has just a killer. I highly recommend spending the $995 for it. Overall, the 300, even the S, is more cruiser than performance sedan, but it does what it does extremely well. 300S Premium Group with Connect 4C navigation with an 8.4-inch display, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, SiriusXM Traffic Plus, 5-year SiriusXM Traffic Service, SiriusXM Travel Link 5-year Travel Link sub, $3,495, 300S Premium Group 2 with adaptive Bixenon HID headlamps, power tilt, telescope steering column, memory for radio, driver seat, and mirrors, front, rear park assist system, blind spot and cross-path detection, power backlight sunshade, heated steering wheel, heated second row seats, driver's auto-dimming exterior mirror, driver and passenger lower LED lamps, front and rear LED map pockets, exterior mirrors with turn signals and courtesy lamps, auto-adjust and reverse exterior mirrors, ventilated front seats, trunk mat, door sill scuff pads, automatic headlamp leveling, $1,895, SafetyTec Plus Group with full-speed forward collision warning plus, adaptive cruise control with stop, lane departure warning, rain-sensitive windshield wipers, automatic high-beam headlamp control, advanced brake assist, $1,695. S model appearance package, rear body color spoiler, premium LED fog lamps, body color fascia applique, body color fascia, $1,495. Beats Audio Group, Beats Audio 10 premium speakers including subwoofer, 552-watt amplifier, $995. 300S alloy package, 19 inches by 7.5 inches dark bronze aluminum wheels, liquid titanium chrome wing badge, dark bronze badging, alloy floor mats, dark bronze surround and grille, titanium finish exhaust tips, dark bronze AWD badge, $695.